Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the 3 best fishing spots to farm coin in Fish It Roblox. So if you need to save up thousands of coin fast to buy that legendary road or maybe unlock new items, knowing the best farming spots in Fish It Roblox is the secret to massive profits. So here I'm going to start from the third one of the list. So the third one is the Kohana Island. As you guys can see, I'm currently in the Kohana Islands, and actually I got all of these fishes from here. Of course, there's these uncommon or basic fishes, but there I also got this mythic turtle, and also the legendary bumblebee grouper, and also this one, the epic long nose butterfly from here. So you can try to fish here inside the Kohana Island, or you can also go deep to go to the Kohana volcano. Now let's move on to the next spots, the second one. So the second one is the ocean. So if you already have a good or an excellent and awesome road, you can try fishing in the ocean, because of course in the ocean there are lots of fishes that you can get, including the mythic one or maybe the epic one. And now let's move on to the first one. So the first one that I suggest, the best fishing spots, is the tropical grove. So this is I'm going to head into the tropical grove first. You can also try to fish in here. So here I am in the tropical grove. Okay, you can fish in here, or you can also go inside the waterfall and fish from here. So guys, that's the top 3 best fishing spots for now in Fish It Roblox. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.